Hi, my name's Scott Lalonde. I'm from Monroe County, Florida, and I met Governor Jeb Bush at Family Cafe in 2003, and they had it was a disabled civil rights or disabled convention for disabled people, and he had an open forum and he gave a speech about giving people 97% of what the med waiver pays out to Medicaid to take care of people like me. And I live in the Keys. There's not many agencies that provide care, so I said that I thought that was the plan for me, and I opened up my big mouth and said, I'm from Monroe County. Their idea of health care is having me be in bed 18 to 20 hours a day. And somebody brought me a microphone and I kept stating this, and the governor said, well, we can't take any more questions right now. His wife had prior engagements, and I said, no, I will not be silent. I played a Mr. Smith Goes to Washington. It's an old black and white movie where somebody stands up. The Parliament rules is while you have the floor, you get to speak. Well, I stated the same thing over again when somebody brought me a microphone, fortunately, and I stated the same thing. I'm from Monroe County, and I spent 18 to 20 hours a day in bed. That was their idea of health care, and the only crime I committed was being born disabled. And there's a Supreme Court Olmstead Decision talking about where people like me can choose where we live on community-based programs. It's called community-based med waiver. And I had 3 hearing officers. I went appeals to the hearing officer for the state of Florida, and on the 3rd occasion they finally gave me they said, well, you're getting the care you need now, so the whole thing's moot. And I'm like, so what do you people think you are, the Catholic Church? You can just have this annulled like it never happened and wash it under the carpet and have people forget about it? And I said, like, I'm not going to forget, and I never will be quiet. And that's why I'm making this little videotape here. There's also a Supreme Court Olmstead Decision that gives me the rights to choose where I want to live. It's basically the state of Florida took away my right and choice to where I wanted to live and stay. And there's also a presidential mandate stating that all agencies, Medicaid and Medicare agencies, should make an effort to have community-based programs. And it was sent out by the Supreme Court to all these agencies, and to this day they still don't really want to enforce it. They say it'll cost too much money. They're willing to pay $130,000 a year for 2 disabled individuals to be in a mental institution for they're criminally insane, but they don't want to pay the $60,000. That's what Georgia said when they got to court. We don't have the money, but they have the money to have them be in this this institution for the criminally insane and pay $130,000, but they'd rather pay that than the $60,000 it would cost somewhere else. So just check out my Disabled Civil Rights page, and thank you very much.